Stop aimlessly driving around and start finding real estate deals that others are missing by combining PropStream's data power with your on-the-ground observations. First, open PropStream and enter the location you want to drive for dollars in the search bar. This will zoom you into the area you'll be scouting. Now, use the filters. This is crucial. Click the filter button and narrow down your search. Think about what types of properties you're looking for: vacant homes, foreclosures, high equity situations. PropStream's filters can help you pinpoint them. Focus on criteria like vacancy status, mortgage information, or even property characteristics. The more specific you are, the more targeted your driving route will be. Once you have your filtered list, use PropStream's route planning feature to optimize your driving path. This saves you time and ensures you hit all the potentially lucrative properties. As you drive, keep your eyes peeled. Confirm the data you see in PropStream with your own observations. Is the property truly vacant? Are there signs of neglect or disrepair? Use the PropStream mobile app to take notes and photos of properties that catch your eye. Documenting your observations directly within PropStream keeps everything organized. Back at your computer, review your collected data. Compare your on-site observations with PropStream's data to identify the most promising leads. This combination gives you a powerful edge. Finally, use PropStream to research property owners, get contact information, and start reaching out to potential sellers. Get ready to close those deals.